tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-exchange coins through USDT. I-click ang profile, click coins, top up, USDT, then copy. Then, back natin. Punta naman tayo sa points. Click withdraw now. Then, itong may arrow. USDT. Then, yung password. Yung password na nilagay ninyo. Then, paste natin yung kinapi link natin. Then, submit. Tayo lang tayo ng seconds. Then, check. Then, click withdraw now. Confirm. At ito yung magiging coins natin. Coins natin is 100,488. Pag in-exchange coins natin, magiging 98,012. Click exchange coins. Then, password ulit. Back natin. Back natin. At ito na siya sa coins.